Are you thinking of trying Wowdex.top because it looks like a promising crypto exchange? Hold on, before you trust your money with it, here's what I found, and it might change your mind. At first glance, Wowdex.top seems like a legit platform, offering trading in popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and others. They even boldly claim to be Singapore's largest fully regulated crypto exchange and say they're registered with Austrac, which gives an impression of trust and professionalism. But as I started digging deeper into these claims, things quickly began to fall apart. First of all, there's absolutely no verifiable proof of any registration with Austrac or any other legitimate regulatory body. When a platform claims to be regulated, that's a big deal, and not having the paperwork to back that up is a huge red flag. Secondly, they state they've been active since 2017, but their domain was literally just registered in April 2025. That kind of lie isn't just misleading, it's a tactic commonly used by scam sites to gain instant credibility. The website itself doesn't help their case either. It's a copy-paste design that looks exactly like templates used by several other questionable and previously reported scam platforms. That lack of originality raises serious questions about who is really behind this project. Then there's their list of partners. They name-drop big blockchain projects like Celo and Optimism. But when I went searching for any official mentions, press releases, or even a tweet confirming this partnership, there was nothing. Zero evidence. It seems like another attempt to look legitimate without actually being legitimate. Even their Trustpilot reviews are sketchy. They show a high rating, but when you go through the reviews, there's no depth or detail, just generic praise that feels generated or bought. Reputable platforms usually have a mix of reviews and specific user experiences, but here it looks fake across the board. And finally, even insights.com, a platform that tracks suspicious online behavior, has already flagged Wowdex.top as risky, citing unusual patterns that are often associated with fraud. So is Wowdex.top an outright scam? I can't say that for sure without seeing people report losses, but with so many red flags, fake claims, and unverifiable information, it's definitely not something I'd recommend putting your money into. Be smart, do your research, and never fall for fancy claims without real proof, especially in the crypto world where scams are just one click away.